Hi everybody, welcome back to RPL Youth Service YouTube channel or IGTV. We are filming back in the library and we are so happy that we open to the public with limited hours. If you want to know our hours, you can check our Instagram or Facebook. And if you have any question, let us know in the comment below. We all miss you and we're so excited to have you back in the library. So today's experiment is so much fun. We're going to learn about seed germination. So it looks something like this. So germination is a growth of a seed into a young plant or seedling. So in this project, you'll see a seed sprout into a tiny new plant. So if you see in a store like a plant like so, and it starts from a seed. So when you water it, and then if it have enough sunlight, it will become a plant. Okay? So all you need is really easy. First, you need a cotton balls like so. It doesn't matter what size. And then we need a pinto beans or any kind of beans you can find. And we also need water, and we need a container, a plastic container like so, like a plastic glass like so. If you don't have one, you can use your water bottle. Recyclable water bottle works. And of course water. So let's get started. First thing is you're going to unroll your cotton balls like so, probably like 4 or 5, depending how many seeds you're going to put in your plastic water bottle or glass. So you just put it in the glass like that, stuff it in, make sure you unravel it before you stuff it in. So, okay? And then what you're going to do is so much fun. You're going to put the beans over on the side so you can see the germination going on. I rinse off my beans, but if you don't like to rinse it off, it's up to you too. So you want to put it on the side so you can see the germination. So don't put it like in the middle, otherwise you cannot see its growth at all. Okay? So I'm probably going to put 4 beans. Like so. Okay? And after that you want to take water and then just kind of soak it in a little bit. But don't drench it, just like soak the water bottle a little bit. Okay? And after that you unravel it. And next cotton balls, and then you put it on the top like so, like that. So, okay, and then you put it water a little bit more. Right. After that, this is the fun part. You're done with the whole process. You just have to wait for a few days. You want to put it in the windowsill so that it will get direct sunlight. And it will grow for 2 or 3 days like so, and it will happen like this. Okay, I hope you're having fun. If you have any question, let us know in the comment below. Please don't forget to check our Read Square. And if you have any question, let us know in our Instagram and Wakelet. Until the next experiment, I'll see you later. Bye.